Una, dos, tres. Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today we're gonna have the UX OX 2021. Let's hear to the unboxing. Let's see the box. This watch is big bold and it's from 2021. It's from the new Chinese year, and it's very special, and to be clear, is one of the most it's really cheap swatch. What they hear is that two eyes of the bolts are from the company of Swarovski, the jewelry. Now you can see a close-up from the swatch. Look how beautiful it is. Now you can see the big ball. Please give me like and subscribe, please. Dr. Swatch out.